Hi, Shiloh Love here. Today I'm doing a full demo on my Christmas present, Roarin Tiger Ivory. This is a Toys R Us exclusive, and there's still some in stock. I just checked online. They're actually on sale for $99.99. So hurry up and grab one because you will not want to miss this toy. I love a lot of different things. I did a lot of series on leggings, and if you just look around my room, you can see that I really love toys and stuffed animals and just a lot of fun things. And this, I call this room, well, I originally called it the loft. I've started calling it the North Pole because it reminds me of what it would be like to walk into the North Pole. So this is Roarin Ivory. She's a FurReal tiger. She's a Toys R Us exclusive. To get started, okay, one important thing is her back legs are jointed. So you just easily fold them up to get to her battery pouch. And her battery pouch is easily accessible under her belly, her little Velcro. It takes 4C batteries right in that little pouch. And right back there is her on-off switch. I keep it off when I'm not playing with her so it doesn't scare my puppy. See, I turn her on and she comes right to life. So once she's awake, I just put her leg. It's easier to get to the battery pouch if you fold her legs up. The back legs are not electronic, they're manual. As you can see, she comes right to life, and she has, let's see, she has blue sparkly eyes with purple glittery eyelids. She is super soft. She has a hard body. It's not soft. She has a hard body. And the fur is super soft. She has, she's got kind of rubbery paw pads on there. You see she's got cute little pink paw pads. She's got some white teeth in there. Let's see if she's got her mouth open. You can put your finger in her mouth and she does stuff. You tickle the roof of her mouth, she'll react. Some of her sensitive spots are the roof of her mouth. You can see in her teeth. The top of her head. You pet the top of her head. And if you put her down and pet her back, she'll go into purr mode. Well, usually. And then if you growl at her, she's supposed to growl back. Rawr! She has a few different growls. Am I close enough to you? You can make different noises like bark, ruff, ruff. There, now she's purring. She bows. Once she's in one action, you have to wait for her to complete her action before she'll go into another. See, I'm petting her, so she's purring. And then her tail is always wagging, which I love. I just think she's so cute. She doesn't walk. She just yawned. She's purring. This is her from the side. Hi, Angel. She's a very nice pet. Very, very pleasant. I find her to be much more pleasant than the other electronic pets out there. She has a niceness about her that I really like. She's really sweet. Her growl isn't even that fierce. It just sounds more playful than anything. There's a button on her back. I'll wait until she finishes her cycle. You can push the button to make her do things. It's really easy to find. And then when she's done, you just push a button. When Angel first met her, that was funny. There's a video posted when Angel first met Ivory. Oh, that was hysterical. It makes me laugh. So when she's done doing an act, you just push the little button. Or you can pet her head. Or you can make noises at her. Like, see if we can get her to give a good growl. Rawr! She does a really good growl. I'm trying to get her to do it. Rawr! She does a really good one. Rawr! There's her good growl. Ruh-roh! You get ruh-roh! Ruh-roh! I love her good growl. She's so cute. There it is. She does a little sneeze. I don't know if she sneezed yet. Oh, she just did it. Do you sneeze on command? Let's see if she sneezes on command. Oh, she's purring. See, I can't have a real cat. I have a real dog who I love to pieces. I just love her so much. I can't have a real cat because I'm really allergic to them. So I really enjoy hearing the purring. There she goes. Let's see if we can get her to sneeze again. Oh, okay. Sneeze! Nope, she doesn't do it on command. She just randomly sneezes. Rawr! Ruh-roh! I just love her. Again, she's a Toys R Us exclusive. The brown and black one is available at different stores. But only Ivory, the white tiger, which I love black and white. This one is only available at Toys R Us, and I just saw her on ToysRUs.com before I did this video for $99.99. Let's keep Toys R Us in business. It's my favorite store. So everybody go and buy up the rest of the Ivories because she's amazing. You will not be disappointed in this toy. She's really fun and really soft. And a wonderful toy. Roar! 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 And that's just fun to have someone to growl at. And she goes, oh, she does a little song, sing song. La la la. She goes really amazing with My American Girl doll hut. This is actually a tropical rainforest hut. So Ivory fits in perfectly back here. Oh, this is Ivory's toy. I forgot to show you Ivory's toy. I have not figured out what to do with it yet. So anyhow, thanks for watching. This is Ivory, the FurReal Roarin' Tiger, and Angel Hairs saying Happy New Year! Have fun!